In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create contacts inside of Fastmail. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Fastmail like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over to the menu where you'll see Mail over here and then Contacts. Then from here, you need to click Contacts like so. And as you can see here, now you'll have an entire overview of all of your contacts. You'll also see the VIPs, the recent, and groups that you are part in. Then from here, to create a new contact, you need to go up to this plus icon called New Contact. And then from here, you should be doing something like this. Up here, you can add in an image of this specific contact. You can add a title for the contact. You can add a first name, a last name. You can add a job title, department, and a company. Down here, you can also add the personal details like a nickname, birthday. You will also be able to add in email. You'll be able to add several emails like personal, work, other, or custom email. Down here you'll also see the default email, and this will be the first one up here on the email tab. You'll add in the phone number or either home, work, mobile, fax number, pager, other, or custom. Down here you can also add the online like website, Facebook, GitHub, Skype, Twitter, WhatsApp, other, or custom. Down here you'll also be able to add in address like their home address, their work address, and where in the world they are located, street number, the postal code, and the city. Then you can also add in notes if you want to do that. But when you're done, you simply need to go up and click save. And then you'll see up here. Then from here, you can add the edit. You can add them into groups, or you can go up more and print the contract, email vCard, download vCard, or delete the contact. You can also compose over here, or invite them to a meeting if you want to do that. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!